mostly constructed in the 16th century, Melford Hall stands in the Suffolk village of Long Melford. In 1642, the house was attacked and damaged by a gang of anti-Catholic protesters. Since 1786 it has been the seat of the Parker baronets and is still lived in by the Hyde Parker family, although it has been in the ownership of the National Trust since 1960. Beatrix Potter was a cousin of the family and was a frequent visitor to the hall from the 1890s. Her bedroom is still preserved in the hall, as well as a collection of her drawings. One wing of the hall was gutted by fire in 1942, but rebuilt after the Second World War, still preserving the exterior Tudor brickwork. The hall was first opened to the public in 1955. In 1958, Sue Ryder leased the south wing to house her holiday scheme for concentration camp survivors from Poland. The scheme ran for 11 years and eventually grew into the Sue Ryder charity. The hall is now run by the National Trust.